today's session, we'll discuss about Python set data type. It is an unordered collection of unique items. It is defined by values separated by commas inside braces. For example, if you take employee ID equal to E employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, let us say. Three items are there. How to display? We'll check display. Print employee ID. This will give all the elements present in the employee ID set. So what is the type? How can you find? Print. You need to use type function. Employee ID you need to give. Then it will type print type of the data type. So here it is get set. So how to print individual ID? You need to use for loop for item in employee ID, then print item. This is the way you need to type. We'll test it. This one. Go to PyCharm editor, paste it, the code in this data type -y dot python file and try to execute. See, it has printed E1, E2, E3. The data type is class set. And prior to that, it has printed all the elements because we have three statements. Print employee ID, it will print all type, set, and individual item like E1, E2, E3, and E2, E3. Now we'll see dictionary. Python dictionary. So it is an ordered collection of items. It stores elements in key value pairs. Keys are unique identifiers. These are unique identifiers that are associated with each value. Example we'll see employee record equal to E1 employee 1, let us say John, comma E2 Roman, another employee employee 3, Gianna. Let us say these are the values inside it. How to access? We'll check how to access the dictionary. First, we'll print all the elements. Print employee record. Then we'll see how to access individual elements by using keys. Print employee record mp1 and close it, bracket close. Okay, then the same way you need to print. We have 3 employees, right? We'll print 2 and we'll try to print 3. I'm printing individually. Let's check. We'll go to editor and we'll paste our code. I'll delete this. So now we'll check and see if any errors are there. Something like emp1, emp underscore 1, sorry, e1. E1, E2. There is a typo about keys E1, E2, E3. The same thing I have kept here. Now we'll test it. Yeah, you can see printed all the values of employee record. This is dictionary key, value, key, value, key, and value, and individually we have printed John, Roman, Giuliano. So this is the how we need to access set and dictionary items. That's all for today. We'll meet in next session.